So turn the ignition on.
There we go.
We have ignition now?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep, lights on.
Oh, so 5 minutes of kicking don't help? Okay. You didn't see any ignition. Ready now? Let's power now?
Yeah. It's just new paint. Smoke in there.
You must have ran better when I did that.
Yep.
You know why?
Because it needs
more fuel.
Needs more fuel.
You need to raise it, right?
Need to raise the needle, lower the clip. Probably needs a bigger nozzle in it, but that's full rich with this needle. We'll probably have to change the spray nozzle out in there to get it to do what it needs to do. And the last bike they had these stupid pipes like this. I did that on it.
Cool.
So what's nice about this carburetor though, you can do a quick ass adjustment like that. I leaned the hell out of the idle speed too, so it's not wanting to feel it idle.
Cool.
So it was one kick once the ignition was on.
Yep. Yeah. So now I know it's to the right.
Well, I'm glad you let me know.
Yeah, no worries.
We checked spark over there and it had spark evidently when the ignition was off. I'm not sure how that worked.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Okay, the,
Kill switch. Anti-thief.
So this has already unscrewed itself over here. There's the other. Did we get one of these floating there? There it is.
There you go. Fuck yeah. My ears are ringing.
It's going to get louder.
I know.
Smog in here is getting thicker too. Okay, fuel is still on, no leaks yet. That's always a good sign.
The only thing we have is
We
just
have an oil leak down there, but I'm not sure where that's coming from.
from right here, from when you were kicking it over.
The chicken did that?
When the bike would move.
Oh, where's my dirty rag? Grab that one down there. How much oil's in this thing now? It's enough to run on, but we need another quart here later.
Oil them.
It's Got oil all over the place right now. So I got oil on my foot almost. Is that what you're saying?
Terrible.
Where's your plug?
Plug right here.
Still a bit in there. So the 8 light went out after how many kicks?
About 85.
Never did go out. I had to start it. How long before it went out?
Like, it went out almost instantly.
Get up here. Put that on there. Put your ground wires, you know? Go out?
What?
Did it go out?
No. Nope. Nope. It's not going out. Nope.
Nothing?
Nope. It's still staying on. I think the switch is bad.
It went out when you ran it, so it was out normal. Alright. So all the way which way?
In the middle is all the way to the right.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right on which side?
This side.
Counterclockwise or clockwise?
Clockwise.
We'll see. Too rich, I think. That low speed just stuff is way too rich. See how it's kind of blubbering a little bit when I got it? Hold that. Yeah, that came back on.
So you raise it all the way, the last move you made?
I went all the way up and said only one. I went 2 positions.
How many positions are there? 3?
5.
5? You're gonna come down 1? Or 2?
I'm raising the clip up in the last position so it'll lean it out 1 spot. The middle position, which is number 3, is where it started, so I'm in 4th one now. I just went for a double position adjustment. It was a little bit too much, I think. We'll see. It might just be the pipes are not working in that spot and that's causing the problems. We definitely have a problem with low speed jet being too rich, and that's in the same general area, so it might just be gurgling from that, and the mid-range is fine. Probably more where it is, I bet, but we'll see. That's why these things have screw tops, you can change them quickly. You can compensate.
So what would you do if we were going to high altitude then?
Lean it out.
Okay.
Drop the needle with the flip.
It's undoing itself.
Yeah, but notice how it's cleaner now going up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this ramp up in the air. Let's pop the float bowl off and let's do a jet change.
How do you keep it from